Emergencies are disasters that come over you suddenly without you being aware of. I mean, when they come, what do you do? How do you go about preparing it? In our topic for today, we are going to be looking at how to prepare for emergency. Welcome, welcome, and welcome to my Life Plan Tips channel, where I talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. Yes, so what are those sudden occurrences that happens without you being prepared? Number one is fire. I mean, fire is a disaster. Sometimes fire just starts without you igniting it. Sometimes it might be an accident, but then they do happen. And when they happen, what do you do? How do you go about taking care of such situations when they come? And then secondly, you have flood. Yes, flood can come upon you suddenly. I mean, sometimes it doesn't inform you that it's coming. Not sometimes, it doesn't even inform you that it's coming. It could be maybe a broken down dam. Yes, it could be from the rain, excess rain. Yes, it could be, well, a tap that is left open or a dam that is left open somewhere and it becomes a flood, becomes a disaster to you. Yes, and then number three, yes, sudden sickness. Yes, they do occur, they do come upon suddenly sometimes. How do you go about preparing for such situation? Yes, the first thing you do is to create an emergency fund. Yes, you need an emergency fund in case of a fire disaster, in case of flood, in case of a sudden sickness that comes upon you. Yes, you need to have that emergency fund to shield you from such occurrences. Number two, you need an insurance. Yes, you need to insure yourself, you need to insure your property, you need to insure your business to help you. Yes, at least to give you some relief when such situations occur. And then the third thing is to secure your house. Yes, if, take for instance, if you have an emergency like a robbery case. Yes, sometimes robbery occurs on someone suddenly without you being prepared. You need to secure your house by providing CCTV cameras for yourself, whereby your house is being watched in case of a robbery incident. You see, so you need to secure your house, you need to secure yourself, you need to secure your business, so that when such disasters occur, you will have at least a relief from one amputation or the other. So if you like our videos and you want to have more of such videos, please like and subscribe to our Life Plan Tips channel, where we talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. Bye.